Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Yes, today I have to come with you such a good topic, that is the fifth lesson of in mathematics syllabus, that is quadratic equation. Very interesting and very useful for you in coming Polsat exam. Now friends, in this chapter what are the main learning outcomes are there? I have written on the board. Let us see mind mapping. Every time we are going to mind mapping, because I told you every time content is power, concept is king. So here this is the concept points I have written here. What is quadratic equation? What is the general form of quadratic equation? How many methods to solve the factorization of a quadratic equation? Nature of quadratic equation, discriminant of quadratic equation, and curve shape of quadratic equation we have to learn today. Now little information I want to give you. Already detailed information, each and every chapter will be there in our playlist. You have to watch it. These are all the videos will give the beautiful information to you, because this is an important time for you to watch all the videos carefully, because if you watch it then automatically practice. That's it. Now in this way the literal information will be now today. What is quadratic equation? Before that I want to tell you what is the linear equation. Tell me children. The general form of linear equation in one variable will be ax plus b equals to c. Ax plus b equals to c. This is the degree is 1, then it is called general form of linear equation. Denoted by p of x equals to 0. If an equation can be described by p of x equals 0, then the linear polynomial which is having degree is 2, such a polynomial is called general form of quadratic equation. Actually, now we are calling it is a quadratic equation, but before that it is a yes, quadratic polynomial. When a quadratic polynomial having degree 2, then the equivalence it is having, then it becomes called a quadratic equation. This is called general form of quadratic equation. Here the conditions must be a comma b comma c belongs to real number. A is always not equals to 0. This is a very important condition for quadratic equation, dear friends. And now this is over. This is also completed. Okay na? How many methods to solve the factorization? 3 methods. How many methods to solve the pair of linear equation? 3 methods. Here also 3 methods. What are they? Geometrical, model, algebraical. Here what are they? Yes. Splitting method, splitting, and formula using method, and completing square method. These 3 methods we are using to solve the quadratic equation. How to factorize it? These 3 methods we should apply. Okay. Now nature. Yes. What is the nature of quadratic equation? It has 3 natures will be there. The 3 natures depends on discriminant. What is the discriminant of quadratic equation? In this formula we have one word, b square minus 4ac. This word is called discriminant of a quadratic equation. Every teacher cannot show any discriminant between the students in the classroom. All are equal. The word we are using there. So in our Indian constitution also that discriminant word will be there. Every people are equal with under the Indian constitution. Like that. Here what is the discriminant? b square minus 4ac. What are the 3 natures? When discriminant can be denoted by dr delta, it has 3 natures. 3 methods to solve. 3 natures will be there. First nature, delta or d greater than 0, less than 0, equals to 0. If delta greater than 0, so the roots are realigned distinct. Remember, when discriminant is greater than 0, so the roots are realigned distinct. Right? Next, if for suppose discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0, negative terms, so it has no roots or are imaginary roots. We can say that imaginary roots. For suppose delta equals to 0, sometimes we are getting substitution the values in the place of abc, we are getting answer is 0. In that time, the nature of quadratic equation is roots are realigned equal. Equals to 0, realigned equal. Once again, greater than 0, realigned distinct. Less than 0, imaginary. Equals 0, realigned equal. That's it. Clear. Next. Curve, very important now, very interesting. What is the curve? For example, based on this only, delta greater than 0, I told you, real and distinct same curve also will be, it will intersect at least minimum 2 places. Yes, delta greater than 0, roots must be 2 roots, because power will be 2 there only. 2 roots. What are the places? Here 1, here 1, 2. 2 roots we are getting. Here 2 roots, here 2 roots. Okay, very important. And delta less than 0 means it does not exist, no roots, means same graph I should explain to you. It will not touch the intersecting, it will not intersect any x-axis, it will not intersecting any x-axis, because it will not intersecting, here also not, no roots. Now, delta equals to 0 for suppose. Yes, it has realigned one root only, one place. Yes, it has only single, 2 roots are same, one place only it will be intersected on x-axis. Here 2 places, here no places. So this is called d greater than 0 or delta greater than 0, d less than 0, d equal 0. I showed in graphically also. Friends, this is called literal preview of cinema release before we are showing a preview. This is a preview of about quadratic equation. I want to tell you model questions, then after followed by previous exam questions. Let us see that. Dear friends, see the first question, first model. The possible number of roots of ax square plus bx plus c. Possible number of roots of quadratic equation. In the place only there, quadratic equation. 2 will be there. So maximum roots will be, at most roots will be 2 only. So your answer will be, that's it, 2 only. Finish. General question. The coefficient of x in a pure quadratic equation. The coefficient of x in pure quadratic equation. Pure means coefficient should be 0. Pure quadratic equation means coefficient should be 0. Pure milk, no quantity of water, 0 water. Like that, pure quadratic equation 0. The x value will be, coefficient of x will be 0. Remember. Next, the positive root of square root of 3x square plus 6 equals to 9. In this, which value we have to substitute? Then you will get 9. Answer to question. Better to go answer to question. And general method also will. What is the general method? Squaring on both sides. We should get equivalence. 2 methods I want to tell you. Let us see. Squaring on both sides. SOBS. Squaring on both sides. Now 3x square plus 6 are 9. Squaring on both sides. Square root cancel. 3x square plus 6, 9 square means 81. Clear? Now 3x square equals to 81 minus 6. Come on children, 75. Now x square equals to 75 by 3. Okay? 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 6, 3 5 ja. So x square equals to 25, x equals to root 25, x equals to plus or minus 5. Plus or minus 5. This is the answer. Okay? Now it has taken a minimum 50 seconds. But in our style, we have to say 5 seconds. So, answer to question. I have to substitute here 3. 3 square, 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 please. 27 plus 6, 33. Root 33, not there. 5. 5 square. X in the place of x, we substitute 5. 5 square, 25. 25 into 3, 75. 75 plus 6, 81. Square root of 81, 9. So, this is the perfect option for our question, right? Now, this is the answer. Answer to question. Next, the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 5 by 2. Then the number is sum of a number. Some number and its reciprocal is 5 by 2. For example, the number you don't know, x. Reciprocal means 1 by something, right? 1 by x. It's a sum plus is equals to 5 by 2. So what we have to do, do the cross multiplication. X into x, x square, 1 into 1 by x. That is equals to 5 by 2. After doing cross multiplication, again you do cross multiplication. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 1 are 2, that is equals to 5 into x, 5x. Right? Now we are getting one quadratic equation. X square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 factorization. 1 4 ja 4, minus 1 minus 4. Because here middle term is what? Minus 5. So minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus into minus plus 1 4 ja 4. So sufficient factors are minus 1 and minus 4 only. Now here minus 1 comes outside plus 1, minus 4 comes outside plus 4. Now this coefficient will comes to down. So 1 by 2, 2 1 2 2. So 1 by 2 comma 2. 1 by 2 comma 2. Here. This is a traditional method I explained. But shortcut if you want to know. So in that simple run. Plus, 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 plus. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Here 7 by 3 not there. So it is not an option. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. It's also not an option. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Yes, this is our option. How many seconds? 5 seconds. Dear guys, now come to the next question. If a to the power of x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 1, then x equals here what is asking? You have to substitute in the place of x. Our answer will be 1. Okay, I should go for small number. I should go small number. Small number is what? 1. Here I am substituting here. Okay, na? X square 1 square minus 4x 4 into 1 plus 3. A 1 square 1 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. Here plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 here minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. A to the power of 0. A to the power of 0 exponent and in this sense sixth formula a to the power of 0 equals to 1. So a to the power of 0 equals. This one is tally for our question. So answer this is. No need to check that one. No need. If it check means you can check it. 3 square 9 plus 3 12. Keep in your mind. Here 4 3 are 12 minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled. Again a power of 0. A power of 0 means 1. Okay. 3 square 9 plus 3 12 plus 12. Here also 3 4 3 are 12 plus 12 minus 12 0. A power of 0. So perfect option 1 or 3. Friends, 5 models, 5 different models I explained. Now let us see one more different 5 models. Then after immediately we have to start previous questions shortcuts. If the equation 25x square minus kx plus 9 equals 0 as real roots and equal, then the value of k. Friends, here what is the important keyword? Yes, you are right. That is called real and equal. What is the meaning of real and equal? Yes, discriminant delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. He said already the delta is 0. Discriminant real and equal he only mentioned in the question. So we have to substitute b, ac values respectively. What is the b? X coefficient. X coefficient minus k. Substitute 4 ac. A value x square coefficient 25. C value 9 is equal to 0. Friends, here minus k whole square minus power is even. We should get always positive. K square. Here 25 4 ja 100. 100 into 9 900. 0. So k square is equals to 900. K is equals to root of 900 plus or minus root of 900. That is nothing but 30. K equals to 30. Easy or odd? Very easy. And next question. Very easy, na? Next question. Is the ratio of sum and product of the roots. Sum and product of the roots of this equation. First we have to find the roots. Then after we have to do sum and product. For suppose here 12 13 13 12 6 7 3 2. Okay, na? Here for suppose here first I want to tell you traditional, then after I will tell the technique. First you have to come here. It is not in standard form of general quadratic equation. We have to write 3x square minus 13x plus 12 equals 0. Because every quadratic equation power should be in decreasing order. X square, x is x power 0 like that. Here 3x square after we should get minus 13x, then after followed by constant. 12 3 is 36. 36 factor which is sufficient to minus 13. Minus 13 36 na 4 9 right. 4 9 minus here minus 13. Both are we are getting minus 9 minus 4 minus 13 minus into minus plus 4 9 36. Sufficient factors for this quadratic equation. Now friends, here 3x square. Now directly here also we should follow the technique. That's it. Minus 4 comes outside plus 4. Minus 9 comes outside plus 9. Okay, na? Here what is x square coefficient? That will be divided. Right. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So we are getting 4 by 3, 3 are the two roots. It's the sum. Cross 1 4 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9 by 3, 13 by 3. One value, sum value, sum of the roots. Product means 4 by 3 into 3, 3 3 get cancelled 4. So ratio is asking. So first 13 by 3 is to 4. So do the direct cross multiplication. 1 into 13, 13, 3 4 is 12. So 13 is to 12. Where is 13 is to 12? This is the answer. 13 is to 12. Okay, na? After getting the roots, we have to go with. After getting the roots, we have to go with. Here 4, here 9 is the roots. 4 by 3, 9 by 3. I am getting 4 by 3 and 3. It's the sum. 13 by 3. It's product. 4. It's the ratio. 13 by 3 is to 4. Now 1 into 13, 13, 3 4 is 12. This is the answer of this question. You want shortcut now? Let us see this shortcut. But very interesting, Amma. Very interesting shortcut. Okay, everybody doing this traditional method by the knowledge of quadratic equation, sum of the roots, product. But this technique maybe it is for you only, special for you, right? Here, which is the answer? Friends, you have to write this quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation. 3 into 12, 36. 36 is what, Amma? Perfect square. 6 are 36. So in that option, what are the sum we should get perfect square? Here 12 plus 13, 25, 13 plus 12, 25, 6 plus 7, 13, 7 plus 6, 13. Yes, these two are not a perfect square. So option between A and B. And we have to get difference, we should get positive number. 12 minus 13 minus 1, 13 minus 12, 1. Here, where is the positive number we are getting? Here only. So our answer is absolutely B only. You follow the traditional method. You are getting its ratio 13 is 12. You follow the technique. If sum should be perfect square, because this value will be perfect square we are getting. So then we can go with the perfect square. Here this option will be not there. For suppose this option will be 12 is 3 will be there. For suppose 12 plus 3, 15, not a perfect square. It's not a perfect square. It's not a perfect. Only answer will be B. Sometimes it will be there like this. Then you can go difference also. We should get perfect square. 12 minus 13 minus 1. It's negative roots. It is a positive. This is the answer. Okay. Next, see here very interesting question. Actually, this question I was covering in real numbers also, but I want to tell you this kind of question. 3 models will be they are giving. The 3 models are sometimes they are giving like this. Sometimes they are giving like this. So here plus will be there, here minus will be there, here into will be there. In this case, we are going to do squaring on both sides. That is the general method. But shortcut method, I want to tell you very easy amount. First of all, here 6 factors. What is the prime numbers? What is the prime factors? 2 and 3. Only you can take here prime numbers. Here what is the sign? Plus. So in this, which one you should take? Big number. This is your answer. When the plus is there, big factor you can take it. Now 42. 6 7 is 42. 6 7 is 42. 6 7 is 42. Here minus will be there. Minus will be there. So small number is the answer. Small value is the answer. 6 is the answer. That's it. Here plus is there. Big factor. Big factor. Here minus is there. Small factor. You can choose it. That's it. Next. Here into will be there. What is the answer? That is your option. Here what is the question? That is your option. No need to do anything. These 3 kind of questions you will do concentrate. Okay, my friends? Next. If 1 by 2 is the root of x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equals 0, then the value of k. It is already one root. We have to find k value. Simple substitution. That's it. Yes. 1 by 2 whole square. In the place of x I am substituting it. K into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 equals to 0. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. 1 by 4. Now k into 1, k by 2 minus 5 by 4. Here, now we have to go with the 4th class because like fractions, these like fractions, these two are the like fractions. When the like fractions will be there, the denominator is a common, 4 is a common, 5 plus 1, 5 minus 5 plus 1, minus 4 plus k by 2 is equals to 0. 4 1 is 4 cancel. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus k by 2 that equals 0. K by 2 equals to plus 1. Minus 1 transfer right side, it becomes to plus 1. So k equals to 2 into 1, 2. K equals to plus 2. This is your option. Clear, my dear children? Next. If the roots of quadratic equation are 4 and minus 3, then the new equation. I told you very clearly. When the roots are given, the quadratic equation formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals 0. 5 seconds answer. 4 minus 3, 1, 1, 1. 4 into minus 3, minus 12, minus 12. So where is x square minus 1x minus 12? Where is x square minus 1x minus 12? Minus 1x minus 12. This is your answer. I hope that today you have understand about these 12 models which is coming in the PolySet exam. Next, dear friends, in our next video, I have to come with you exam PolySet question with shortcut solutions. I have to make a one more video for you. Till then, practice well. But my humble request for you, you are new for our channel. Please subscribe it because we are getting. I am very happy. You are really great. You are giving very good boost for our channel. You are giving very beautiful encouragement for our channel because you are giving good comments. You are giving good likes. Everything I am very happy because you are doing like that. I have to give more videos for you. You don't worry. Physics and chemistry it will come within coming 2 or 3 days. You don't worry about it. But length syllabus is maths only there. That is the reason we are doing mathematics. So physics and chemistry, I have only 4 chapters are there, no? So that is the reason we are doing maths, 14 chapters are there. You can understand and it will give you. And before the exam, before 1 or 2 days, we have to go with live stream also. In that, I should cover maths, physics, chemistry at a time. Get ready. You will get the good rank. No doubt at all. Till then, practice well. Bye.